look at that.
For the peaches. All right.
Oh my God.
Hi everybody, welcome to the 50 somethings.
We're living life to the fullest and practicing for retirement.
I am making trail burgers.
Speak up.
He said I have to speak up. I'm making trail burgers. It was one of my, hold on. It was one of my, actually my family's favorites growing up. They're called different names, but we always called them trail burgers. And it's your hamburger. You season it up and you can put anything you want with it. I'm also doing separate packets with potatoes, onions, peppers, maybe some mushroom. I'm gonna quarter the potatoes so that, and we just get the little mini pack. I like the different colors. I know it's naughty, but I like raw potatoes. Alright. So, all it is, like I said, I do them my own way. I do my burgers in one packet and then I do my veggies in another, and I start the veggies a little bit earlier. I cut the potatoes relatively small, but they do take longer to cook, so, and you just season it with whatever you want. I am relatively simple. I like garlic, salt, and pepper. Which is just fine with me. I do like to do it on both sides so that we, my mother's over here on the sidelines being a smart aleck. So, this was technically originally her and my father, of course, but it was one of my favorites growing up, and I think we all still love it. And I just chopped some sweet pepper and some onion just to add a little bit while it's cooking. And then you just wrap it up, because this is going to go into the coals of the fire outside. I'm not going to lie, there's a good chance you'll eat more ash than anything else. But if you get it right and you can get it out without pulling all the ash, they're my favorite. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's just because it's my childhood. But, and these are a little bit thin. I don't know where we got them from. I like a little bit thicker burger, but we had some extra, and I think I'm going to use a bigger one for these. But my husband wanted to try just some cut steak, just the cubed and chopped, and we're going to do the same with those. Just salt and pepper, and add some onions and peppers. Make sure I get enough. My husband likes really heavy seasoning, so we'll try. Get it right. There we go. Where did I already put my pepper? Okay. Anyway, and then I'm just gonna drop the rest. I probably should have done a few more, but that's fine because I have plenty of peppers over here that I can add on to it. My burger stack. Do a couple of whole ringed ones in there. Can't hurt, right? So these really are whatever you want to do. I'm going to try a dessert one. I did it at the last campsite and it came out so good. So that finishes up the meat packets. And then I will start the veggie packets. And it's nothing fancy. It drops right into the fire. For my veggies, we're doing potatoes, onions, sweet pepper, and mushrooms. So, and then again, I actually do a little minced garlic. I add the minced to it. My husband also wants corn tonight, which is gonna get done on the grill too. But I'm just gonna strip it, butter it, and stick it in tin foil. I kind of tried to separate them so that I had some even Steven on here. And I do that. I like the tricolor potatoes, but use whatever you want. And cut them just small. They need to cook. You don't want them to have to be on there for too long. But we like a lot of peppers. And you can never have too many mushrooms on anything. So, they look pretty big, but they cook down, obviously. So, that'll work. And then, honestly, I like my minced garlic. I'm lazy. I'm not going to mince it myself, not when it's available to me in any store.
A squirt bottle.
I know, right? Dude, if it comes in a squirt bottle, it just makes life so much easier. So much easier. I like to sorry about that. I like to put just a pat of butter in them. Don't know that it actually helps, but it doesn't hurt, so I do it. And where are we at? All right. Ha-ha. There we go. All we can do is hope for the best. I don't think there's a McDonald's close by, so if these don't turn out, then I'm afraid we're all going hungry. But I haven't had a bad one yet. Even when they get a little bit burned, I still like them. And I actually pat these out a little bit flatter. It helps cook them. If you leave it all mounded up, it doesn't cook quite as fast. And I made my tin foil a little bit too big on these, but that's fine. They'll be fine. There you go. Now I'm going to sit here and I'm going to make 3 more of those.
So what are you doing, Laura?
I am just slicing up some peaches that are going to go, if they're an experiment, I'm sticking them in tin foil with some brown sugar and a little bit of butter, maybe some cinnamon, and we're going to stick them in the fire with the trail burgers that we're working on. Yes.
Well, we have us a little fire going out here. Very nice camp spot. We actually have a really small creek running behind us. There's a very large one on the other side of the camp, and also the main river. So we're gonna do some cooking on the open flame tonight.
These are vegetable packets. They have like little tiny quartered potatoes, onion,
Mushrooms.
bell
peppers.
Bell pepper. Well, the little
Garlic.
tiny sweet peppers, garlic, and some butter, salt, pepper, butter. Easy peasy. Now, I grew up. Typically, what you do is you wait until you have a lot of
Coals.
coals, and these go in the coals. But we're not cooking them that way now. We are gonna pop them right on here.
What she's trying to say, guys, is I failed. I did not get the coals that she needed.
Well, you know. I don't know what to tell ya.
And there we have it.
For the flame.
Ooh, the flame. Here we have our potatoes, our trail burgers, and our peach treats. I'll call it that, and our corn on the fire. Hopefully everything's gonna turn out pretty good. I hope so. That's all we got to eat. Okay, we got the food off the grill, and as Laura just put it, we're gonna hope for the best. That's gonna be the, what do you call them? Trail burger.
Is that gonna be a trail burger?
Gonna be a trail burger.
And whatever's not finished cooking, I guess we'll have to finish it inside, because
We will have failed.
we'll have to try again.
We'll try it again though, as Laura put it. How's it look? And I think it came out okay.
It did.
Juicy.
It did come out okay.
Looks done. So we got one trail burger. Get everything out of there,
Yeah.
juices and everything. At least I want my juices.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna get your own.
Oh, okay.
They only needed to see the unboxing of one.
Well, let's move on to the next one.
So I'm gonna say this is the other hamburger.
Yes. Corn and potatoes and onions and peppers.
Which one do you
and
think is the dessert one?
I don't know. Let's see. Got some potatoes and onions and bell peppers, sweet peppers,
Yeah, these
mushrooms.
went on there the longest.
So those are definitely going to be good. Let's see what you got. Oh yeah, look at that. That came out good.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Taste test.
Oh my gosh, that really came out good. Normally we'll cook it in the coals, and half of it's terribly burnt and your fingers turn black. Well, mine are pretty close to it. Opening it up and you have ash everywhere, but part of the experience.
It's all about the experience.
Exactly. This is one of my fondest childhood memories. Oh, we did a lot of primitive camping. Now we have
Corn.
corn on the
Wrapped in butter and seasoned with some nice salt, pepper, and
Well,
I think garlic.
His is done with salt and pepper. I just use salt on mine.
Let's see.
Now, I'm not sure this one cooked long enough, but we'll see.
So we're doing taste tests. The trail burger, a little rare, absolutely delicious.
Didn't your mother teach you not to talk with food in your mouth?
And the potatoes and the vegetables. Again,
Don't forget the mushrooms.
the mushrooms,
Oh, yeah.
awesome. I mean, we can make money on this.
And nobody wants to see you eat corn.
Nobody wants to eat corn, but it's good. And the peaches with cinnamon.
Cinnamon, and actually, I got a Splenda brown sugar mix, which I was a little unsure of, but they
choice.
came out amazing. The peaches were really hard, and
Yeah.
now they are super tender.
Yes, they are. And this is just awesome. This is the trail burger. Potatoes and vegetables cooked over the open flame, and to include the peaches for dessert.
And my wife is...
My wife is the best.
As he jokes on the food.
Best cook ever.
All right, say goodbye.
For tonight.
Yeah, for tonight.